Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create local account during Windows 11 installation. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You can bypass Microsoft Online account and create an offline account, also known as a local account in Windows 11, by pressing the Shift key plus F10 while you at the out-of-box experience screen to open the command prompt. Then type in sepia.cpl. Then hit enter. This will open the network connections. Right-click the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection and click on Disable to disconnect the PC from the internet. Then type OOBE/bypass N or O and hit enter. The PC will restart. Choose the country and keyboard layout again, and you will see a new option appear. I don't have internet. Click on it. Then click on Continue with limited setup. Then continue with the Windows installation. Finally, from the Windows desktop, press the Windows key plus R to open Run. Then type nsepia.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections. Right-click the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection and click on Enable to connect the PC to the internet. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.